Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand printer and it's giving you a 6000 error code and it's not working and you're trying to figure out what's going on and how do you need to fix it. This is one of the 6000 error is one of the multiple paper jam errors. And this one denotes a jam by the tray, but in reality it doesn't really matter where it is because problems in one place can cause things to not work right in another place, and then it will give you, and that's, you don't actually need to go there to check. So if you get this 6000, just know that you've got a jam somewhere, and you just need to check your printer for the normal paper jam stuff, anything that would be preventing anything from working properly, removing any paper jams, and then once you get your paper jams out, you just want to reset the machine to get rid of the error, and then everything should be working properly again. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.